Hey there, it's Perry from PapercraftingThreads. Went out to the mailbox today and my paper pumpkin kit was there. Fun in the Sun, July 2023. Let's see what we have. We have a Daffodil Delight stamping spot. And our stamps, a waving hello. Oh, I love that. I see brighter days ahead, sending an ocean of love. Wish you were here. Relax, you deserve it. Sending sunshine too. Hello, sunshine. Sorry I was crabby. Fantastic sentiments. Tear and tape. Some little dots that look like they could be bubbles. Here's our envelopes. Rainbows. Love that. A nice blue colored inside. Some palm trees, sand, water, die cuts. Here's the card base. Ooh, this is a nice step card. All you have to do is fold on the score lines. Wonderful. Nice little island scene. And a sailboat die cut. Let's see, more card bases with a step design. These are really cute. Some nice large palm trees, sign, a beach, and our next set of bases. Nice, another beachy scene. Oh, adorable umbrella, surfboards. These are really cute. Ha! Look at our crab. And a little starfish. Some tags. And our Adirondack chairs. And our large glue dots. This looks like a fun kit. And here are the pictures and directions for the suggested layout. And of course, a few alternates on the back. Watch for my alternatives coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye.